What's going on, home improvement bitches? Most of the most, and I'm at it again. So today's adventure is trying to recreate this fence area and gate that I have on the side of my house. So this is what I have to work with, and to make the best of it. Okay, I'm pretty sure I got the outline of the cement base that they had for the original fence post. It eventually had rotten out and broke, so I'll dig it out. After 2 hours of digging, I'm pretty sure I have it loose enough for me to lift out. Thankfully, my buddy and neighbor, William, is willing to help me out. See what I did there? I'll see what I can do on my own. I have a device that I think might work. So this is a 8-in-1 cart device. Depicted on the front of it is a large rock and crane-like device that I can convert it to, and by golly, this is something that fits the bill. So this has turned into a total fucking nightmare. As you can see, this guy did 10 times the amount necessary to put a fence post in. Why on God's green earth that he felt that was necessary to do to get one job done is beyond me. Wish me luck. I'm gonna go to Home Depot and just rent a concrete breaker. There's nothing more I can do. I already broke a rope and my patience is, well, it's out.